What's up, guys? Little change of scene, as you could tell. I'm actually in Bogota, Colombia right now, which is super cool. I'm here for work this whole week. I'm with two of my coworkers, Eric and Tony. And so we took a flight at like 6 in the morning this morning. Today's Monday. And we landed, I think, at about 11 o'clock. And so I felt like it teleported. I actually decided to not sleep last night so that I could try and sleep on the plane. And I fell asleep before we took off, and I woke up as we were landing, so I'm very proud of myself for that. Since landing, we've kind of just been running around the town, meeting up with a couple people who are here. The whole point of this trip is to meet up with a couple of our remote developers and kind of like build more of a rapport with them, and just get to know them face to face, which will be great. And so throughout this whole week, we're going to be going into the office that they work in day to day, and we will be just working with them out of Colombia. And I'm super excited. We just actually checked into the hotel probably about an hour ago before we were doing some work downstairs in the cafe. And we also went and got lunch when we first landed at a traditional Colombian place, which was really good. So now I'm very full. Now I'm doing a little bit of work, and I think in about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so, we're going to get dinner with a couple of the people involved in our company. So I'm super excited. This is the first day. This is Monday in Colombia, and we will be here till Friday. So let's do some more work. All right, guys, it is now Tuesday morning. It's 8 o'clock on the dot. The plan is to go downstairs, get some breakfast, and then head into the office where we'll be working for the week. And I think there we'll actually be meeting Andreas, Santiago, and Victor, our 3 remote developers here in Colombia. So I'm super excited to meet them. I'm hoping they'll be able to show you guys some of the office, but I'm not really sure. But either way, now it's time to head downstairs. Let's get going, and hopefully I will see you guys in the office. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Kevin. How you doing? Videos of everything. See everyone's food. This is the best. Squeeze. I got it. successful full day, guys. Okay, guys, I am very tired. I'm very full. I just got back from dinner. Today was the first full day in Colombia, and it was amazing. It's almost 10 o'clock now. I'm super tired, just about ready to go to bed, but it was amazing. It was such a fun experience. I can't wait to do it again tomorrow. It was amazing to meet all, the developers that we work with remotely and the other people who are involved with our company, and they're all so nice. The city, Bogota is amazing. It's super pretty. It's beautiful. The view from the office is awesome, which I'm sure you guys probably have already seen if you're at this point in the video, and if not, I'm sure there'll be more footage soon. But wow, that was an incredible first day. I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm gonna rest up. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it's day 3 in Bogota, Colombia. It is about 8:10 now, and I'm gonna go downstairs, get some breakfast, meet Eric and Tony, and then we're gonna head over to the office. All right, guys, it is almost 10 o'clock now. It's actually 10:15 right now. This was the 3rd day in Bogota, Colombia, and it was amazing. I just got back from dinner at a Peruvian restaurant with Eric and Tony, and then right after we actually went around the corner to like a bar, the BBC, I think it's like Bogota Brewing Company. It was amazing, super fun. It was like super nice to be outside. The weather's amazing. I feel totally fine in this. Definitely not like New York. New York's like 30 degrees right now, I bet. But yeah, another amazing day in Colombia. Looking forward to tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, day 4 in Colombia. It's about 8 o'clock now in the morning. I'm gonna go downstairs, get some breakfast. I think the plan for today is to do some work in the morning, get some lunch at some point, and I think sometime in the afternoon, I think we're gonna hopefully do some sort of like more fun activity and leave work a little bit early. I'm not totally sure what that's gonna look like yet, but I hope it happens. So yeah, that's sort of like the general plan for the day, at least in a nutshell. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I am so tired and so full. We just got back to the hotel. It's about 11 o'clock at night now, and we just got back from going up this like crazy mountain in the afternoon. We actually left our work at the office a little bit early today. We left around like 3:30 or something. Went and saw this like incredible, beautiful mountain. Could see like all of Bogota. It was really amazing. And then right after, we drove all the way to the other side of Bogota, out through Bogota and into a town called Chia. And we had this incredible like steak dinner at this really cool restaurant called Andrea's. And it was amazing. And now I'm just so tired and I'm so full and I just want to go to sleep. But it's been amazing. It's been so much fun here. Tomorrow's our last day. Our flight's at 1 o'clock. So I think the plan is to meet downstairs, meet Tony and Eric downstairs for breakfast around 7:45, have all the stuff packed up, and we're gonna go to the office for a couple hours, and then we'll just basically go to the airport and catch our flight. So another great day in Bogota. Tomorrow's the last day. Looking forward to something good, leaving on a good note. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right guys, it is 7:45 in the morning right now. It's the last day in Colombia. I can't believe how fast this trip went by. The plan today is just to go downstairs, meet Eric and Tony for breakfast. Then we're gonna head over to the office a little bit early, try and get some work done before our flight at 1 o'clock. So we're probably gonna head to the airport around 11.
Small token of appreciation. It's a wonderful coffee for you guys.
Thank you guys.
For each of you. So Eric, thank you. Kevin.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Tony. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Safe travels, guys.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Hi.
Be good, buddy.
I do have you. Oh, I did not. Okay.
All right, after a long day of traveling, I'm finally back. It's about 9:45 now. I just got out of the shower and I'm going to get ready to go to bed. I'm very tired. I'm super happy that I got to go on this trip with Eric and Tony. It was incredible. It was not at all what I thought it was going to be. I'm super happy that I got to go to Colombia. I'm very thankful that I was able to go. Definitely won't be my last time there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys next time.